Hi, today I want to explain the way we see things. Unit 4 in Science Grade 5. The first lesson I want to speak about it and I want to explain it for my students. Light travel from a source. You know, the light always travel from many sources. We have different sources of light. How the light travel from its source? Light travel from its source in band. What's the meaning of band? Band mean a beam of light. Band, beam of light, or beam is a band of light, same meaning. Now we want to see the different sources of light. We have natural sources and artificial sources. Natural, we can find it in nature. Artificial, that mean man-made it. Fire. Fire is natural source of light. What else? What we have? Lightning. Lightning, natural source of light. Torch is man-made or artificial source. Computer, also artificial source. What else? What we have? Lamp. Lamp, artificial source. Sun. Sun is the main source of light, is natural source. That means we have natural source, we have artificial source. What else? What we have also in nature? We have stars. Stars, natural source. Sometime some people say the moon is source of light. That the moon is sent or is not source of light. Why the moon is not source of light? Because it reflects sunlight. The moon doesn't produce light, but in fact it reflects the sunlight. That means the moon, it doesn't light source. That means we have sun, natural source, fire, natural source, and torch, man-made source. How we see things. The light travel from the light source to the object, then the light reflect off object to our eyes. By this way we can see things. Now here we have question how this person can see the tree. How we answer this question? We say first the light travel from light source from the sun to the tree. Then the light reflect off tree to the person eye. By this way the person can see the tree. Here, how this boy can see the book. The light travel from the light source from the bulb to the book. Then the light reflect off book to the person or to boy eyes. By this way he can see the book. Now we will speak about mirror. Why does a mirror reflect light? Well, we have many surfaces. Some surfaces reflect light, other surfaces doesn't reflect light. But mirror is reflect light well. Here we have mirror. Here we have mirror. If the light fall down on mirror or travel from light source from the torch in beam, this beam of light or rays, okay, travel to the mirror, it reflects to our eyes. This light reflected. The mirror has polished and shiny and smooth surface. If the object shiny, polished, smooth, it will be reflect light well like mirror. Now we want to speak about periscope. Periscope, what's the meaning of periscope? Periscope is an instrument that uses mirrors. It allows you to see things over the top of something, over the surfaces of thing. We use periscope in many ways in our life, especially to see objects on the top of water in seas. Now this is diagram show us the component of periscope. Periscope made of two tilted mirror, tilted like this, tilted mirror, top mirror, this top mean up, top mirror, and bottom mirror, both of them tilted mirror, okay. And periscope has two opening. This opening we can look through it, put our eyes on it to see the object on the top surfaces like this tree. Now how this man can see the apple if he use the periscope. Now the light travel from the light source, from sun or lamp or bulb or any light source to the apple. Then the light travel from the object, the apple here, to the top mirror. Then the light reflect off top mirror to the bottom mirror in this direction, from up to down, from top to bottom mirror. Then the light reflect off bottom mirror to the man eyes. By this way he can see the objects. This is really periscope used in ships to see the objects on the top of on the surface of water. Now, can we see things behind us? Can you see things behind you? Yes, we can. But how? We can use mirror to see things behind ourselves. And the people can see objects by using mirror behind them. We have many types of mirrors. We have a security mirror, this type of security mirror in shops, in supermarkets, and safety mirror. This is safety mirror. It put on bending road. Look here, the road is bent. It help the driver to be safe, to don't make an accident on bending road. It stop an accident on bending road because it shows the driver the road, the bending on roads. Bending roads very dangerous because that they put safety mirror on bending roads to prevent an accident. And we have here rear view mirror in car, or the middle mirror in the car. We called it rear view mirror. It helps the driver to see cars behind him, to see peoples behind him, to see everything behind him, behind his car. Also, car mirrors help the driver to see everything behind him. Now, dentist mirror. What's the importance of dentist mirror? Dentist mirror help the dentist to see the back of teeth. How the dentist can see the back of teeth? Now I will show you. Here we have dentist. We have here dentist. This dentist, this patient, and lamp, source of light, and here the mirror. Now the dentist use the mirror to see mark teeth. How? What happened? How he can see the teeth, the behind of teeth? The light travel from the lamp to back of teeth. Then the light reflect off back of teeth to dentist mirror. Okay? Then the light reflect off dentist mirror to the dentist eyes. By this way, the dentist can see the back of teeth or can see the teeth of mark. Now, which surface reflect light the best? We have many surfaces, as I told you. Some reflect light, other absorb light. We said the shiny, polished, smooth surfaces reflect light. And here I will give you an example on some surfaces reflect light, like clear water. Clear water here reflect light. Look here, we have image of the mountain in water. That means clear water reflect light. Also here smooth water reflect light. Same thing, clear water, we can see our face in clear water, but here some metal like gold, it will be reflect light. Some surfaces reflect light and other surfaces absorb light. We have many examples. We said smooth surface here. Look here, the light reflection, and rough surface doesn't reflect light well properly. Rough surface absorb light. Rough surfaces absorb light. Smooth surface like what? Like clear water, like some metals, steel. But rough surfaces like papers, like cardboard, like dirty water, Okay. Light change its direction. Light reflect off a mirror at the same angle as it arrive. Like here. The angle of light arrived equal the angle of light reflected. In same angle, the light reflect off mirror. Good luck. Thank you for your listening.